Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This has very little to do about Corel Draw, but it could possibly help you. Somebody posted this on Facebook, and I will have a link to this at the bottom of the page, wordmark.it. So if you want to look at fonts that you have on your computer, you can go and cursor down, and of course you've got to have the font selected, and then cursor down, and as you go down, your font's going to change. And sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It works better, and you can actually, scroll through here, and a lot of time, and you can make them bigger, as far as this, but they're still only this big, and you're really just looking at one at a time. Well, if you will go to this website that is Wordmark, you type that in, I've got 181 fonts on my system. Every one of them is listed, and you can look at them. You can go, you can make them bigger and only have like 2 to a page. And it really helps, trying to find that good font that you really like and how your wordage is going to look at it. And there's a couple other, so far as this is free, but I see up there they have a pro account. You can make them tighter together. You could, have them go backwards from A to Z. And see, this keeps coming up for 24 hours, but that's using these other features. So I don't know that much about it, but it's pretty cool where you can look at fonts a lot quicker and a lot bigger. See, there's my characters and wingdings, and you can get into some really, see how that font looks on your, with that that font a lot bigger. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.